Hey guys, it's me, Randy, here at Rollin' Motors, and I got a Cadillac.
Ladies and gentlemen, here is a Cadillac CTS. Excuse my face. Just finished eating. Very nice. White pearl, you can't beat it. I'll drive it later.
I got the keys to your next whip. You see this? That is a Cadillac. Come get your Cadillac. Stop playing, man. It's the Cadillac. Drive the Cadillac. Stop playing on the Cadillac. Show Cadillac.
So now, my uncle's gonna hop in the Nissan Murano, and I'm gonna hop in the 2010 Cadillac CTS. This is the premium edition, not to be confused with the base model or the luxury model. This is, again, the premium. Oh my gosh, the Florida heat. Oh my goodness, cut weight. Everything is too hot, way too hot. Let's turn this down a little bit. Alright, so let's back this bad boy up. And I didn't show you guys, but this actually pops up when you first start the car. And that is the navigation screen as well. So let's go ahead and take a quick spin. Just now leaving the office at 2750 Aurora Road. Got my uncle behind me. Gonna go take this car real quick for a quick test drive. I love this car. You see the roof? Yo, this is crazy. So again, this is the 2010 Cadillac CTS Premium Edition. It has the beautiful leather seats with the little thingy right there. I love everything about this car. I love the way it drives, the pickup. Look at the cluster, all the lights, everything looks nice. Love this car. This vehicle is well equipped with everything that you need. It's got Bluetooth connectivity to connect to your phone. It's got all the options right here. As far as your radio controls, you got cruise control over here on the side. All your options here, as well as memory seating right here. You got some of the functions to change your settings up here in the front if you wanted to. This thing only has 150K, and yes, it is a lot of miles, but this is only a one-owner vehicle. Extremely clean inside and out. This vehicle actually gets 18 miles per gallon in the city, which we are in the city right now, by the way. It gets 18 miles per gallon per city, and it's getting up to 27 miles per gallon on the highway. So, with the 3.6 liter V6, this thing has enough pickup for you to do whatever you need to do, but you can still pull up with all the windows down because it does have the Bose sound system. It is extremely loud. Everyone will know that you are a baller. Look at this Mustang in front of me. I love Mustangs, and his exhaust sounds crazy. Gotta shout him out real quick. Anyways, like I said, if you need a nice whip, come down, come see me. I'm gonna show you guys the full inside and outside, full Spinnerowski right now. Spinnerowski, that's like a spin around the whole car. I'm about to do that right now. Spinnerowski. In 3, 2, 1. never bring the negative from yesterday to today. This Cadillac is gonna make me feel like a brand new man for the next 15 minutes. You guys stay blessed.